I don't want any of that. I just want to paint, man. What do you say to somebody that says, hey, I just want to paint. I hope somebody discovers me.
You're amazing with your 6-part questions, and your shit's like fucking algebra, bro. Like,
listen, we had. Have you heard of that show Shark Tank before?
Yeah, of course.
So we've had Kevin O'Leary on the show, and he said everybody says the same thing. Like all guests, I need to start clipping the audio because everybody's like, "Holy crap, man! You asked 6 questions in one." It's a thing, man. I can't stop it though.
Yeah. Let me see. So, okay. I don't know if I'm going to answer the question the way you laid it out in your algebraic form. But one of the things that I think people use a lot is they always want to point to the things they need, like the tech behind things, as almost as an excuse as to why something wouldn't work. Like they're already creating a problem or creating a reason why something they're doing isn't working by saying, well, I don't have a team. I don't have the cameras. I don't have the equipment. And I would tell artists this is probably the best time to be an artist than ever before. 100%. And to be a pure artist, to be the artist that you want to be, because the tools that are available for free for artists to create and to put out their stuff and to let it find an audience that likes whatever you're doing, it's never been like that in the past.
Never.
There was gatekeepers, there was distribution, there was expensive studio time. Everything was expensive, And so I would say to people, listen, stop putting these roadblocks in your way. Stop thinking you need all these things. You don't. If you have one phone, if you don't have a fucking phone, your friend has a phone. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're that broke that you don't have a phone, hey, you're still not in a bad place because someone around you has a phone that'll film you. Like, there's no excuse not to get started. There's no excuse to not do the things that you want to do the way you want to do them. Stop saying you have to do a radio record. That excuse should not exist anymore because the radio isn't as important as it was before. You don't have to do the club banger. Like, no, man, there's artists that are making millions doing nothing but underground, dark music because they found their audience, and the internet is there to find these people, and it really just takes you making the effort to do these things, create these things, and you taking the time. And again, going back to consistency, going out there, being consistent, allowing yourself the time for these things to develop and for them to find an audience, because it may take one guy or one girl a week to find an audience, and it might take you 10 years. It just depends on how much you really want to do this.